Canadian Pacific with SD42. Dash 8! Whoa! SD42 with rail. Now this is cool. Wow, Dash 8. Excuse me, something else. A lot of different cars that we never see in America, like British Columbia cars. Hey, we got an Amazon. Crazy graffiti. Oh, there goes the end. That Canadian Pacific at the Dash 8. And you can hear in the distance. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please turn your notification on so you know the first one to see my new content uploads. Also, to be following me on YouTube at Holly Beckmer, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. See you later. And come out here, real fan. Yeah, come meet me and see it.